Hi everyone, this is Deb Tim, a Canadian girl, and today I want to share some really interesting things about the biology of our fish. So please stay tuned. This is my 55-gallon tropical angelfish aquarium. Now, I love watching these fish swim and eat and battle with each other, but what are we actually looking at? Let's delve a little deeper to understand what we are really seeing. Beginning with their fins, we admire their length and the colors, but what is their function? Each fish is equipped with two types of fins, the paired fins, which are the pectoral and pelvic fins. Then there are the median fins, the dorsal, caudal, and anal fins. Each fin has a specific purpose, working together to propel our lovely fish through the water. The dorsal, ventral, and anal fins give stability in swimming. The pectoral fins provide side-to-side movement, and the caudal fin is the main source of propulsion. The skin is made up of two layers, the epidermis and the dermis. The outer skin is made up of individual cells. These cells shed and regenerate. Dispersed between these cells are the slime cells that produce and secrete the mucus that we know as slime coat. This slime is a protective coating. Then we have the skin, again colorful, attracting us to the different species, displaying rich colors that can change, telling us how our fish are feeling. The beautiful colors that we see are produced by the cells in the dermis. Their colors change by the movement of the melanin that is contained within each cell. When these melanin grains are spread, they absorb more light, causing the fish to become darker or more colorful. When they tighten or shrink, the fish loses color or fades. Covering the skin are the scales that form the kind of armor protecting the fish from scrapes, bumps, and not to mention other fish attacks. Then we have the gills. The gills are located beneath the gill plates on each side of the fish's head. Under the plate there are 5 slit-like openings. The tissue between these slits is called the gill arch. The actual gills themselves, which are mounted on each arch, are a delicate system of blood vessels that will help the fish breathe by exchanging gases. Finally, we have the 5 senses, much like our own, although they are not used the same. The biggest problem with their vision is the lack of light penetrating the water, except for the very upper levels of the water column. Because of this, their vision is limited to only a few yards, so this is not one of their primary senses they rely on. The second sense is smell. Fish have receptors on their heads called nares. They are similar to nostrils, but not used for the breathing as we do. In fact, many fish have 4 nares. Fish have a wonderful sense of smell, although it's primarily used for finding food. As far as their hearing goes, the actual depth of function isn't yet fully understood. Interestingly, the taste buds of the fish are not only located in their mouths, but on their lips, head, body, fins, and barbels for those who have them. It is suspected that they taste their food long before it ever enters their mouth. Fish possess a superior sense of touch as well. The final sense fish have over us is a lateral line. This line is made up of scales that are modified, containing small pores connecting nerve fibers and sensory cells. This line is fairly easily detected running from gill plate to caudal fin. It shows darker on some fish, more so than on others. The function of this lateral line has great importance to the fish. It is a sensory organ that can detect the slightest electrical impulses in the water, similar to an echolocation system. The lateral line is a specialized organ, a warning system alerting the fish to danger, helping calculate distances, sensing obstacles that their vision can't pick up, and help in avoiding predators. In this hobby, there are so many factors that come together to make this not only a pleasure, but something we can grow in and learn from. My dad always used to say, "Stop learning and you die." So until next time, this is Deb Tim signing out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.